Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the Scopus Indexed Journal for Fast Publication Journal. So start. So first journal name is the Computer Law and Security Review. It is the Elsevier journal and it is indexed in Scopus. So how we will check? Just click on abstract and indexing. So this is the indexing part, Scopus and etc. So this is the first Elsevier reputed journal, Scopus Index journal, or this is the impact factor of this journal. So this is the very good journal. Second one is the Psychosocial Journal, International Journal of Psychosocial Rehabilitation. So this is the ISSN number, and now the Scopus journal. So this is the Scopus journal. So now third, International Journal on Electrical Engineering and Informatics. So this is also an Scopus Index journal. You can see here. This is the indexed by Scopus Semego. So this is the journal SGR 0.14. This is the Semego journal rank. Next one is the International Journal of Mathematical Engineering and Management Science. So this is also Scopus indexed by in Scopus journal. Next one is the International Journal on Advanced Science Engineering and Information Technologies. For the CS and IT branch, faculty and also students can publish their paper in the Scopus Index journal powered by Scopus. This is the SGR rank. Next one is International Journal of Engineering Trends and Technology. This is the citation and H index, I10 index, impact factor, and this is the Scopus journal. You can check here. International Journal of Electrical and Computer Engineering. So this is also an Scopus index journal. This is the SGR rank. Just scroll down and you can see this is the SGR rank 0.37. Next one is the Varse journal. This is the IJATCSE, International Journal of Advanced Science in Computer Science and Engineering. So this is also very good reputed journal. This is the index in Scopus. So all the journals are indexed in Scopus. Next one is the Science and Information Organization. So this is an open access journal. Now you can check here the ISSN number, date and DOI, publication monthly. So every month this journal publish a paper. So you are required to submit your paper in the special issue or current issue. So you can just submit. Next one is the Eurasian Journal of Bioscience. This is especially belongs to the Scopus Index journal, and current issue this is the January to July 20, and this is indexed in the Scopus. You can check here. And Semego SGR rank also. So you can check. This is the different types of the current issue are also published. So this is also reputed. Next one is research publication advanced in mathematics. For the mathematics students or mathematics faculty members, you can publish their paper in this Scopus Index journal. So you can check here. So this is the indexing Scopus indexed. Next one is Horizon Research Publication, Mathematics and Statistics. This is also Scopus Index journal. You can check here. Just indexing you can check here. Scopus Index journal EBSCO. So you can check. This is the print ISSN number and online. Next one is a bi-monthly peer-reviewed journal. This is the publication of this journal in 2 months, not the every month. This is the 6th issues in per year. So this is also the Scopus and cross reference indexed journal. Next one is the Science Publication Corporation. So International Journal of Engineering and Technology. So you can check here, this is the publication frequency, 4 issues per year. So every 3 months this all the papers will published, and this is the scope of the areas. So all the students that belongs to particular these branches can publish their paper in the reputed. Next one is the International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. This comes under the SGR and Scopus Index Journal, and this is the Elsevier Journal, Scopus Index Journal. So and the publication and updated last by every month. So this is a kind of ISSN number, print and online. Now next one is the Indian Journal of Computer Science and Engineering. So those who belongs to the particular computer and IT engineering background or in engineering branch, so they can publish their paper into this journal. So this published by bi-monthly journal. So in every 2 months this publish their issues. So especially belongs to the particular computer science and IT engineering. IGTI, International Journal of Engineering and Technology Innovation. This also comes under the Scopus Index Journal. So this also the especially common to all. So all the engineering backgrounds can publish their paper in this particular journal. So this is the SGR or cross reference index journal. So this is also the Scopus Index Journal. Next one is the Horizon Research Publication. So civil, especially dedicated for the civil engineering and architecture engineering. So those who belongs to particular civil engineering and architecture engineering can publish their papers, and it also indexed in the Scopus and Abisco and very renowned indexings. Now next one is the ARPN, Journal of Engineering and Applied Science. This is especially belongs to the art and science, commerce and also the engineering backgrounds. So these are the scopes. So all the candidates that belongs to the particular branches can publish their paper, and this is the SGR ranking, and this is also the Scopus indexed journal. So you can see here right hand side. Now this is the Elsevier Journal, Cognitive System Research, especially dedicated for the computer science and neuroscience also. So this is the impact factor 1.3, that is the very good impact factor, and the indexing is, you can see here, I'll click on the indexing. So this is the Scopus Index Journal. Now click on the back button. Now you can see here, this is the more detail about this journal. Citation score 1.77, 1.38 is the impact factor, 5 years impact factor 1.344, SGR 0.291. So you can, those who want to publish their paper into Scopus Index Journal, so they can prefer any this journal. You can select their journal as per their choice. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to more, and if any question, please write on the comment box. I read every time and at a time and respond to all of you. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you friends.